Here you go, bud. Ready? Ready? Yeah. There you go. How's that? Yeah. Can't touch the camera while you're eating. No. With your hands filled with... Yeah. What are you doing? Can you see him?
Yep.
Would you like any help?
I think we're good, but thank you for offering.
You know what, actually, why don't you get the broccoli out of the refrigerator? Bottom right drawer.
Got it.
Right. Clean it.
Never done this before.
It's really hard. You take cold water and you rinse it off. Take it out.
More efficient.
That was one way to do it. One way is get the strainer basket, you're going to strain it in, steam it in, and then just cut it up into that, and then you can run the water over the steamer basket and kind of filters it out. He loves his oatmeal.
I'm gonna throw this cupcake away. It looks pretty gross.
Check the got 100 chocolate chip oatmeal cookies coming.
Hey, you want this? What?
Water in the phone. Just chop off the tops. That's great. That was Howlin' Monkey.
All of it?
Sure, yeah. Are your burgers supposed to defrost, Jay?
No, they don't have to, no.
I don't know how they're gonna cook because they're larger, they're thinner, and they're frozen.
maybe
Now what?
a little bit after those.
Okay. Oh, that's good.